Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You already know it's your girl Elle. But yeah, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys a couple cute and easy styles that you guys can do with your frontal wigs, your curly frontal wigs to be exact. You can actually do the style with any type of frontal wig that's long enough. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys some quick and easy styles that you guys can do. So let's get into the video. Yeah, okay, this is the second look right here. Two pigtails in the front. You could also use like all of the hair in the front to pick it up, but I didn't. I just used a little bit, as you can see. Baby hairs, this baby hair in. Yeah, but yeah, this is style number 2 that you can do with the curly hair. Okay, here is how it looks without the bobos in there. Okay, so we're gonna take the same two buns that we already have, well, ponytails we already had, and then we're just going to twist it up and make 2 little buns up top. They don't have to be so perfect because it's just for the video. So what I like to do is twist and then go around. But when I'm going around, I try to hold. Ooh, damn it, my bracelet got stuck. When I'm going around, I try to hold the top of the hair just so it doesn't flatten too much and it doesn't get too small. But like I said, it doesn't have to be too perfect. There we go. And this is style number 3. How we feeling? Are we feeling it? We feeling it? Right. Just take out those 2. Well, what I did, I just took out those 2 ponytails that I had, and I'm gonna use my flat iron. I'm gonna use my hot comb. How am I calling it flat iron? And I'm literally holding it. But yeah, I'm gonna use my hot comb and just try to undefine that middle part that I had before I put it into a ponytail. Okay, so here is number 4. This is look number 4. I think this is so cute, and I love that the hair is puffy. Now you guys, you can always wet the hair and saturate the hair to give it more of that wet, soft, well, wet defined curl look, but I don't want that right now. Yeah, I'm inside and I don't feel like getting up to wet my hair, so we're not gonna do that. I like how it looks puffy. It looks absolutely beautiful, just so full, so big. And y'all got this wig from Amazon. Yeah, being that we didn't define the we didn't like take out the middle part. I'm looking down. Being that we didn't take out the middle part too much, we're just gonna turn that up style down to a middle part. Sorry, we're just gonna turn that up style down to a middle part, like so. We're just simply just brushing it out. I don't want it too flat. I like how it looks big because it gives my face like more, you know, room. But I am going to just run through right here with the hot comb a little bit. All right. Okay, you guys, this is another style right here that you guys can do with like curly hair. And again, you can always wet it and saturate it, but I'm gonna do that with my very last style because the very last style is how I plan on keeping my hair for the rest of the day. So for the side part, I think it's self-explanatory. Just make a nice little part. Oh, look at that! But look at that, boy! Look at that. Okay, so you're just gonna do a nice little part. I'm not gonna do anything too crazy. I think that's perfect. Look at that on the first try. On the first try. So we're gonna go in with our handy dandy hot comb. And then we're just gonna press down. Now you can use, make sure you use a wax stick before you do this, but for my purposes only, I'm not using a wax stick right now because I'm not sure how I want to finally style my hair, and I don't want to put too much product in it because it does need to be washed. But I think that's good enough. Okay, yes, this is the next style. This is the next style, a side part, simple, and you can do it either on either or. You can do it on either side. You can do the part on either side, whatever fits you best. I normally do it on my right, but the left is looking cool. Yeah, there we go. So this is a nice pushback. I would still say it's a half up, half down, but just more so pushed back to where it shows your face and your features more, which is what I've been into more so. I don't really like too much hair in my face. Like, I'm trying to show y'all what it's giving. Okay, so this style is the flip over method. Now you can do it on either side that you choose. You can put as much hair over as you choose to, but this is and I'm going to use this scarf right here. You can use any scarf that you like. Ooh, look at it. It looks so cute already. Ooh, it's giving, I think this is so preppy. Like the hair tied like this all the way back is such a clean look. But yeah. So like that. And I try to tie it as tight as possible because I know it's gonna loosen once I start to slide. Once I start to slide the band back. So I'm just gonna use my hands. Alright, boom. I'm just gonna use that and push it back. I think right there is perfect. Yep. We go. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. Down below and let me know which look is your favorite. I'm gonna go in and with the bottom of this hair. Don't worry about it, but this is so cute. Y'all know which one is my favorite. My favorite has to be, in order, I'm gonna pick 3. So in order, it's the 2 pigtails with the bobos. That's number 1. Then the second would be the half up, half down, but when it's more pushed all the way back to where, you know, it just gives your face like a facelift. That one would be number 2. And this right here will be number 3. Like I said, I love hairstyles where it's out of my face. Like you can actually see me, even though I'm always seen. You can actually see me and just see everything and just, you know, it's right here. Like it's just right here. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it was very helpful. I hope you guys learned a little bit about how you guys can style your hair. This is definitely for beginners because those are some easy quick styles. If you guys like videos like this, definitely let me know and I'll continue on with showing you guys how you can style different type of wigs. I think next I'm going to do a bob. I might do a bob. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already, and make sure you like, comment on this video and share the video as well. Okay, share the video. Let me know what part you guys like. Let me know which style was your favorite and all that good stuff. Okay, thank you. Bye.